We're going to take a look at how to replace the battery on this Volvo Smart Key. And the first thing that you'll need to do is, you see that locking tab right here. You're going to press this down, and then this cover, the Volvo cover, you press this and then push and slide this out basically. So you can see that slid out a little bit. So now you can remove this cover. Now here's the emergency key, but we also need to remove this cover, and first that has to come off. And once you take that off, then you can see here you have these other two tabs. You can click on this with your nail and move this down. Now I'm sliding the other cover on the back here, I'm sliding that out. You can see here I'm pushing this down here, and then I'm sliding this one forward, and that's it. Now you can move that. Okay, so right here is the battery. And you'll use a screwdriver to turn this to unlock position. This is open right here. Now you need to remove this cap. And now we pop that out a little bit. You can see that. And there's the battery right there. Pay attention to the positives. You see the plus sign on top here. Basically push this battery to one side and then lift it up. And there's the battery. Be careful now when you insert a new battery, make sure that the positive is facing up, and you have these little tabs right here. You want to make sure that you're not pushing this down. Don't bend these down. They're kind of hard to see. These right here. What you want to do is you want to push against them, and so it pushes those to the side, and then you press down on the battery. Plus is up. You want to line up this cap. It's a little bit tricky because it's got these tabs on the back, and it only goes in one exact position. And the best way to line it up is to look at this arrow. There's a little arrow right there, it says open. Line that up with open and press it down. And now all we need to do is you take this and turn it so that the arrow here lines up with closed. And that's it. We take the back cover, we line it up like so. We'll press it down, and then you push it forward so it locks. Then you take the other cover. You can see there, you line it up. It's sitting a little bit on the front over here. That's the way it's supposed to before you lock it, and then you slide it back, and that's it.